In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write real estate listings with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. We all know that crafting the perfect real estate listing can often feel daunting. But today, I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of ChatGPT to create compelling listings that can attract potential buyers. We're going to streamline the writing process while ensuring that the essence of your property shines through. So let's get started. Here we are at the main ChatGPT interface. It's user-friendly and ready for us to make our first request. I click into the message box at the bottom of the screen to type out my prompt. When writing for real estate, I find that the details really matter. So I type out a clear, specific request, asking ChatGPT to write a compelling real estate listing. For example, I might say, please create a listing for a modern, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home located in a family-friendly neighborhood. By including these particulars, I ensure that the AI understands exactly what type of property we are showcasing. I also remind ChatGPT to highlight the best features of the property and create an engaging description that feels inviting and warm. After refining my request to capture the essence of what I want, I click the send arrow and watch as ChatGPT goes to work. As it types, I can see it structuring the listing with precision. It starts with an inviting title that immediately draws in potential buyers. Then, it follows up with several well-crafted paragraphs that paint a vivid picture of the home. For instance, it emphasizes the open floor plan, the contemporary kitchen that's perfect for family gatherings, and the luxurious private primary suite. I scroll down, eager to read through the rest of the generated text. I notice that ChatGPT provides a clear and concise bulleted list of property highlights. This format is incredibly beneficial as it allows potential buyers to scan through the key features easily, ensuring they don't miss anything important. To top it all off, it wraps up with a strong call to action, encouraging interested buyers to schedule a viewing. Now let's say I want to adjust the tone of the listing to target a different audience, perhaps a more affluent buyer. No problem. I click back into that message box again to refine the output. I type a follow-up prompt asking ChatGPT to rewrite the listing with a more luxurious and persuasive tone. I specify that I want to keep the same details about the home intact. After I hit send again, ChatGPT instantly provides a revised version. As I read through this new response, I noticed the title shifts to something much more elegant, immediately setting a different mood. The language used is noticeably elevated. It employs phrases like the perfect balance of sophistication and an exceptional residence filled with abundant natural light. This new description not only maintains all the vital details about the 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, but also transforms the overall feel to resonate more with a higher-end clientele. The property highlights have also been updated, aligning perfectly with this premium aesthetic. What I love about using ChatGPT for this process is that it allows you to quickly generate and adapt your real estate marketing copy. You can tailor it to fit the precise style of any property you are selling, whether it's a cozy family home or a luxurious estate. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials. That's all for today's video. I hope you're as excited to create dazzling real estate listings as I am. Remember, the power of compelling writing is now at your fingertips with tools like ChatGPT. Happy listing!